Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Nazali Vlog and Recipes. Today I'm going to share with you a super delicious and rich saffron rice pudding, Kesar Kheer. So let's get started. Step 1. I took 1 cup of basmati rice and ground it slightly coarse in a blender. Then I wash it well and soak it for about 15 minutes. Step 2. Next, I took 1 cup of sugar and blend it with 3 cardamoms into a fine powder. Step 3. In a heavy bottom pan, add 1 tablespoon of ghee and fry the dry fruits. I had pre-cut them, but you can also cut after frying. Keep them aside. Step 4. In the same pan, add half liter of milk. I used boiled and cool milk here. Let it come to a boil. Step 5. Now add the soaked rice and cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Step 6. Add the ground sugar mixture and stir continuously while cooking until everything blends well. Then add a pinch of saffron. I added it directly, but you can also soak it in warm milk before adding. Here I am adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Step 7. Finally add the fried dry fruits and give it a mix. And that's it. Our creamy, flavorful, and absolutely delicious Kesar Kheer is ready to serve. Perfect dessert for festivals, special occasions, or simply whenever you crave something sweet. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Nazali Vlog and Recipes for more exciting and delicious recipe. See you soon with another video. Until then, Allah Hafiz.